I have a great pleasure actually of being here and like it very much. I would say due to the fact that there's many different business areas covered with participants, different categories, customers, research companies, marketing, and of course it's always interesting to hear their points of view because you always learn something. So actually I would say it's quite a nice learning experience also for myself representing the Carlsberg Group here in Moscow. Good potential in the Russian market and there are prospects of growth. The Russian consumer is still, regarding beer as a category, consuming about 63 liters per capita, and we do see a potential if we compare to other European markets. So in that sense, we definitely see growth perspectives in the Russian market. Also, if we talk about the value side of the business has been increasing because the disposable income of the Russian consumer has been growing over the years, and affordability of even premium brands has increased to quite an extent. So in that sense, we are following all of those trends, and of course, we have some very good and nice plans for the Russian market.